So this is the covered patio. As you can see, we're doing a masonry fireplace here. We're doing a coffered ceiling. All the columns you see here will be wrapped with HBG columns that we also get from Riverhead Building Supply. As you can see, the reason for this big open patio is the great views that we have all the way to Westchester. The primary feature of this house is the stair tower. It's going to be a winding staircase. And as you're looking up, you're seeing that bell tower. This is the actual master bedroom. As you can see, we did a wall of windows here that looks out onto Manhasset Bay. Whoever is the lucky kid to get this room has possibly the best views on the north coast of Long Island. So this is the back patio of 73 Lake Road. As you can see here in the soffit, we've been doing some different samples of the mahogany that we're going to wind up putting on all of the porches. This is a clear stain on mahogany, so we're making those aesthetic decisions right now in terms of how we're going to finish the underside of all the porches. Because we're on the water, we had to do special hurricane-proof glass. We're going to be starting to install the windows tomorrow. We're super excited about it. We just started putting the roof on. These are Alaskan yellow taper sawn cedar, thicker than the average 3/8 shingle. The other special feature about these is they're all kiln dried, which means they're dried in the factory, so when they come out and get exposed to the weather, they're not going to shrink. Yellowish right now, but after it being exposed to the weather for a few months, it'll turn silver.